some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing better than you could imagine. Picked up the book and I'm turning the chapter. Used to have Jeezy inside of the speakers and threw it away and replaced it with passes. Grandmama told me if you fill yourself up with garbage, it's probably what's gonna come out. I shrugged it off till I got a bit older, but now I know what she's talking about. That boy done changed up, but keep it real. Independent, I don't need a deal. God twang may be the trademark, but the living God is who made the seal. Supernatural, no Copperfield. Downside with the back of fields. When you're coming from the bottom, you ain't even gotta worry about the mud, cause you walk through it. Check my heels, my God gon' order my steps. You see, he taught me this lesson. If the bait ain't working on your hook, you need to switch up the method. There's people dying every day, folks down and out with depression. Gotta be the light inside the dark place, wake them up with the message. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing everything that they said I couldn't, going everywhere that they said I wouldn't. My plate was empty till I met the Lord, then he filled it up cause he steady cooking. Defeated death and he gave me life, killed the lust and gave me a wife. My heart was rotten, he cleaned it up, now I'm bare fruit, I'm truly right. Used to run around trying to ball, taking X's to elude the law. Locked down with no place to go, then he met me there and I got the call. Answer that, you gotta pick it up. I had an empty glass and he filled my cup, pouring out to all the folks in need. That's all you need cause this is enough. Open it daily, gotta get your portion of bread. This world is sleeping on the truth, it's time to hop out of bed. I get it, I was there as well, so I live out what I said. But judgment's coming and we can't make it right after we're dead. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing.
YOLO Trader in the building. What's goody? What's goody? What up, Edson? What up, J Coop? What's goody, everyone? Happy Friday. Welcome in. Welcome in. What up, Wokey? What up? What up? All right, let's get ready to rock and roll here, man. Who's ready to get some money? Y'all ready? Let's do it, man. It's Friday. Feel good Friday. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm gonna crack me in excess as we begin the show here. What up, the Don? What's good? What's good? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. As you guys settle in, give the stream a like here. Let me Clubhouse. Let's get some bread. Zoom. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good on Zoom. We're good here. All right. Who's ready to rock and roll? What up, George VDM? My man, OGH. What's good, Andrew? Yo, yo. What up, what up? Might go in the building. Chat, highly recommend. Highly recommend y'all get one of these. Holy. The best. The best, the best. Let's go ahead and get started. It is 8 a.m. It is NY Open here, so we do have news coming out here in about 30 minutes. So I'll probably sit tight on that. But let's get going with the day. Let me pray and then we will begin. Father in heaven, Lord, we just come to you in prayer, Lord, publicly. We don't give a rip about what anyone thinks, Lord. All that we care about is what you think, Lord. All we care about is your plans for us, not their plans for us, Lord, and we know what they are. We thank you for those plans. We thank you for your promises. We give you all the glory in front of everyone, Lord. We know that you are the one that drops the blessings from above, so we thank you for it. We give you all the glory. I pray a blessing, special blessing on everyone here today, over them and their families, and that they would all have blessed weekends, Lord, and we just honor you and give you the glory for it. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 We got all we need. We got all we need. There's no reason to ask. we're already super grateful for what we got, right? So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's begin the day. So again, as I was mentioning, it is Friday here. It is the, what is today, the 15th? Yeah, 15th. I think yesterday was the 15th as well, according to the Time to Eat live stream. Yeah, I think I messed that up. But yeah, man, so today is November 15th. It is Friday. Again, we do have some 8:30 news coming out here. We've got core retail sales coming in. It's going to be red folder. That's pretty much all we've got to look out for here today on this lovely Friday. Other than that, as you can see, there's a sea of USD in the headlines here today. Most of that is going to be orange and yellow folders. These are going to be the big ones here, right? The retail sales stuff. So we'll keep an eye on that as NY Open starts, as we settle in here to NY Open. That news will come out here at 8:30, and then we can kind of look at where price action wants to go from there. So let's go ahead and take a look at price action. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis. Let's do a breakdown here on gold, and let's see what we can plan out here today. Cool. One thing though, I must ask, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of bangers coming. We got lots of content coming. Live streams just continuing on. I think we're close to like almost 500 live streams at this point. So we are rocking and rolling. And yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun. So pull up. You're more than welcome to come on in and pull up every day. All right. So let's talk about gold here. Let's talk about the daily time frame, and we're going to work our way down. It's been one heck of a day here for sure. So let's talk about it. Daily time frame, right? We have been moving down for quite some time. So we know that we created this overall range up here, right? We kind of did this fake out, started bleeding, created a new resistance, and then just haven't looked back since, right? So we've just been on this bearish tear. And look, we asked for it, right? We asked for this move. As you can see, right, there's a couple areas in which gold would we would anticipate gold to target, right? The first one being this support right here. We blew right through that. Next would be right here. We closed below, but we just blew right through that one too. And this one here as well, we closed with no bottom wick, but next candle just kept on driving and really just drove right back into this overall range that we had been trading in for quite some time there back in September, right? So you guys remember this range? This was such a pain in the you-know-what, right? Like this whole range right here was just making the day-to-day trading very difficult there in September, right? Daily time frame was just choppy. So that was our major zone there, right? That was our major level, and it looks like we've wicked into it. And now I think, look at this, right? If you have this support here, right, what can potentially happen here today is that this bullish or this current daily candle, if it breaks the highs here, there's a very high probability that we end up pushing up today, right? And this being now a fake out taking place in the daily time frame after a rejection of this area here, right? So that could potentially take place here today. But if we do break the lows, by all means, we do have this wick to fill here, right? So if we do come down and break this low and start pushing during high times of volume, you'll most likely fill the wick. And who knows, maybe we do come back into this overall range to the left and kind of consolidate a little bit for a couple days after this big gigantic move down here. So we'll see. That's just a little bit my thoughts on the daily time frame. Keep in mind this today, right? So if we do continue pushing up, there may be some sort of a fake out that takes place. It would make sense for the weekly candle to pull back here today as well, and leave a wick for next week. So let's drop down to the 4 hour here. Let's see how we can kind of operate here today over the next couple hours. So we can clearly see that the 4 hour is ranging now, right? So it looks like you have a support, you have a resistance here, typical, getting ready before news. If we close above, very high chance that fake out takes place today. If we break the lows though, we may begin to push down and look to close below the range here, doing some sort of a rejection like this, right? And then potentially fill that 4 hour range there. So two ways, obviously, that price can go up or down here. So this is a big closure later on, but let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is kind of giving us like this celery type of vibe here. I don't think you have much of a closure, do you? Yeah, maybe you do have a closure here. One sec. Yeah, we might have this little celery play rocking out. So, you know, this candle did close above. This one has obviously closed back below. So I think if we can get a closure here on this either 30-minute, 15, yeah, probably 30-minute candle, then you most likely will begin to push up here today. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so if you can get closures above here, I'm all in on these buys, right? So clean zone above there. We got to close above though, and then if you know, can kind of start ducking back below the support, that's going to be the 4-hour candle flipping bearish. Sells may be valid in there as well, right? Based off of what we talked about this 4-hour candle potentially wicking up, closing back below the range here, right? Doing something like this. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. The sells may have to be range 2. Just because of where we're at on the 4-hour, but keep in mind we are bearish still on the daily, so anything can happen here. So I think sells are pretty valid below here, 25.72 on the futures chart. It's debatable, right, whether or not we want to wait for that range 2. So for now, I'm just gonna put I am gonna put range 2 sells below, and then clean buys above here. Yeah, and that should do it. Yeah, so you see what I mean about this kind of messy here on the lower time frame. So yeah, I like sells below probably 71 a little bit better. We'll see if we reject this area again or not, but buys look pretty clean. 4 hours still bullish, so we'll see what happens. But I'm personally gonna wait for the news here, see how the news comes out, and then you know, start to make some moves from there. Cool. That's it, folks. That's all. We got 1 hour. We had a big rejection down here too, right? Big rejection to the downside, and price just continue to move up here. So this is a big zone here. We'll see how we react to it. Yeah, news should push us out though, you know, at some point. What a day. Good day. What up, Xander? Mr. Hasty, how you doing? What up, Kelvin? TK. What's up, Nikki? What's up, bands? Count it up. Anyone gonna go for this 1 hour celery here? Pre-news? Anyone? I'm doing great, Kelvin. How are you? What's up, Carolina? Energy with the wrench. Energy with the wrench. Louis G in the house. First man here today. W. Telling you, they don't give him that G for nothing. Yeah, wild. What up, AB Mike is in the house. What up, AB Mike? What's goody? Observing, nice. I'm anticipating the daily fake out in the long run today, so I don't know what's gonna happen on the moment by moment, but I do like the overall direction to potentially move up here. Yeah, because potentially get that daily fake out. So I'm kind of like swinging this into later on today on my like personal account. So we'll see what happens. But that one I'm willing to hang out and hold all day. This account I want to trade half hour by half hour. No trading today for you? Good. Not a bad idea. Yeah, I'm trying to make like 6,000 here on my personal account today. We'll see. Just gonna hang on for the ride. We'll see if we get a good Friday out of it. My thoughts on ES? Yeah, let's take a look here. All right, let's take a look at ES here, S&P, and let's see what we got going on. So we did close bearish there yesterday, breaking the lows, which is nice. Pretty strong engulfing candle here on S&P here yesterday. So very nice bearish closure. We got a bit of a resistance here. Not the greatest top wick, but we are beginning to, move down. We broke the lows a bit early. Something tells me there's some funky price action here, man. Yeah, you see that? It's a 4-hour just literally driving down. So I think we do need some sort of like a pullback here on the 4-hour. Maybe this will be you see how this candle didn't really have much of a wick. So being that we still have extremely clean range coming down, this may just be the pullback, right? It'll happen on the lower time frame, and then we should be good to fill that wick if we find ranges, on the 30 minutes here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour looks like it's trying to move up here, right? But we are coming into this resistance level, so we'll see how we react here. If we move a bit further up, I'll see how we begin to react to 59.60, and then if we do move above there, I like the continued buys up here. So other than that, we are pretty bearish right now in the 4 hours. So this could just be the 4 hour creating a top wick, running this little pack runner play here. I think if you can get a closure back below this, then that should lead us downtown here, right, for the 4 hour to keep moving. So let's see if we got any better range. You do have support sitting right here. Yeah, this could potentially be like a fake out, right, according to the 4 hour. So yeah, I like this. This looks pretty good. So I would probably look for sells below 45 here, and then range 2 buys above 49. So if this candle can remain above, then there's potential buys here, right? If you can get a new candle, maybe a closure, something like this, we should be good to move up. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Those are my thoughts here today. Range 2 buys above 59.49. Range 2, and then yeah, sells below this. What is that? 45? Yeah, 59.45. I think you could take your sells a little earlier, but I think they might be a little premature. Let me show you what I mean. So yeah, like I think sells they're not bad like with this fake out here on the 30 minute, but you just have that support there, right? A little bit before news. So in today's unique occasion, I would just wait for range 2 buys above here, or wait for closures below 45, and then you got clean range there. Cool. So that's what I got going on for ES, but clean range. You probably see me start pulling the trigger on this pair a little bit more. Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? All right, so we'll see what we do with news and all that. Yeah, and then we'll go from there. It would be pretty nice though to see a pullback here on the daily. Some sort of a pullback, right? So we close back above this range here, and then either next week we move up a little bit, kind of like into this zone here, like 2609, right, on the daily. So if we kind of vision or get a vision for where the daily candles can go, right? Let me just get rid of everything here. So if we kind of try and catch this vision, right, it's like, where could the daily candles go? So if we have that support, previous support level, the range in which we came from, right, and then there's also these highs here, right? So like maybe what can take place is that the daily candle can close back in the range here, right? Let me use this one. Close back in the range here, pull back a little bit, right, and then begin to reject that zone, right? And then maybe you get 1 or 2 days of threatening to get up there and all that, and then we start to create a new resistance again, right, for price to continue driving back down. So that's kind of like my vision for the next week or so, a couple days here. You might have a little bit more play up here, some consolidation, and then the drive. But yeah, that's kind of like what I can see happening from a price action perspective. All right. So yeah, we'll wait on news here, and then we'll take it from there. Jason C in the house. What up? What's goody? What's goody? Good morning, Mike McCready in the building. The Barcelona trader. Let's go. John Wayne, no problem, brother. No problem. You and about 100 other people. My bad, Zoomers. There's the music. You and about 200 other people. Yo, what up, Zebs? Doing great, my man. Doing great. How are you? Yes. First bearish monthly candle. That'd be amazing. We're looking forward to it. SG80, what's good? Where's Zoom at, man? Hold on. There we go. Perfect. What up, Zoomers? Conrad, what's good? What up, Sebastian? Greg Ski in the house. What's goody? What's goody? What's up, Norman? Damn, my bad. I just opened up this chat. Sorry, guys. Ecom Dre, let's go. W. It's exclusive, bro. It's exclusive. How you guys feeling? Good? Seller, yeah. So the seller is just an idea here that maybe we can move bullish. It's more of like just a longer term perspective of possibly moving bullish here today and breaking the previous candle highs. So that's all. That's not that I wouldn't say has anything to do with the movement by movement that we're gonna see here, like the 30-minute candles. That's just like a longer day type of thing. Like we can come up and down here, but I'm anticipating that maybe the daily candle here can actually move bullish today. But you never know, right? We're still bearish. We made a top wick, so we never know where we could go, but it's just like more of like a swing trade type of idea. Swing. I would only do that type of stuff like with my own capital. I wouldn't recommend, well, actually, unless you have like the strategy for it. Oh, John Wayne, appreciate that, man. Yeah, there's a lot of components, a lot of other people that make this such a great community here. So I'm with you, man. I want to thank everybody here as well for all being an incredible component to this machine that we call TTE. Yeah. Sunboy Comedy. Let's get it. Good to see ya. Took that trade with you in Asian and held it till London. My biggest trade to date. W, Ron. Wow, way to hold. Way to hold. Insane, man. Feels good, right? It's a good feeling. Trolling John? No. John's here? No, not yet, right? He's on the way. Oh, nice. Pip Lord took it too. Man, you guys are holding all night. W. Sheesh. Nice trade, man. Let's take a look here. Let me see something. Yeah, everyone should so all the giveaways, you guys should all have your accounts. If you don't have your account, send me, and I sent you a message on Instagram, send me another message at some point today so I could get back to you. I think almost everyone, maybe one, maybe two. But everyone should have their accounts by now, which is dope. Right, Jamil? I'm trying to get like y'all on this trade. See if I could really hold it down on the daily and stick to it. Stick to the bias. Yeah, that's in the clubhouse. So we stream the clubhouse, or we stream Asian and London in the clubhouse, yeah. And basically when we get off of YouTube, the clubhouse stays open usually like another 3 hours or so. So we're hanging out for like another 3 hours. And what's cool is now you're beginning to see other really good traders in there, right? Like John's just dishing out pips. You see Magnus. You see a bunch of other guys like George is in there. So it's cool. You know, it's not just me. It's a bunch of different traders within TTE, and it's a fun educational place to be, surrounded by the winners. Yeah, typically every weekend we do like a webinar, whether it be on technical analysis or anything that has to do with growth and, you know, winning and personal development and things of that nature. So it's pretty awesome. We have big plans for the clubhouse, really big plans for the clubhouse. So far so good. We currently we're sitting, I think it was like 45 or 46 and like 16 or 17. So we've been hitting pretty good in the clubhouse. How long does it take to get added? I think it probably like 2 hours, an hour or two. Sometimes right away. Yeah, everyone should see the clubhouse, I would say, within the next 5 or 10 minutes. It's your birthday today, W. Happy birthday. Yeah, we could probably do some sort of like challenge account giveaway today. Let's see, do I have anything to post? Oh! I think we're gonna drop the video today. Should we? Yeah, I think we should drop. Should we drop the video of the? We made a quick video on the meetup. So we shared the reel the other day, but we have like a 9-minute. I think it's like 8, 9, 10-minute video. Should we drop that today or this weekend? Maybe we'll do a drop today and pick some comments from it. I think on YouTube also we could do the random pick generator. So I think it would be cool to do it. Oh yes, that's right. We can do the random pick generator. W. Happy birthday. Yeah, we're Big birthdays. I think we've had birthdays every day, almost every day this week, the past like 3 days. W. Huh? Huh? Say what? Got you right now. Got you right now. Yeah, some of these comments, some comments are pretty funny in the chat. Hold on, chat, 1 sec. All right. What up, Trader A45? Trader A45. What's goody? What's goody? Mr. Smith in the house. What's good? Chala, my boy. How we doing, bro? How we doing? All right, we got news coming here in 36 seconds. So we got retail sales coming out. Stephen B is in the house. What's good, Stephen B? Stephen B was in the video. Actually, he was in the video quite a bit. I think he might have been the best shooter there, bro. Shooters shoot. Shooters shoot. Where's Ecom Dre? He's here. He's in the clubhouse. Ecom Dre, why no love to YouTube, bro? No love to the YouTube. What up, Eric? What's good? What's good? So let's see how the numbers came out here. Oh, mixed numbers here. So we got red numbers and green numbers. So we'll see what happens with this. But yeah, I think we just continue to wait on price action. This bullish candle here closed back below the range. If it closed above, I'd have a buy stop here, but it didn't. So 15 also closed bear back in the range. So I'm not going to touch that yet. If we do get a closure above though, I do like and break these highs. I'm beginning to like buys. But we got to get above this range here. Otherwise we may come down and back up, you know what I mean? So shooters shoot. He's gone. Wait, Stephen B, it's your birthday? Holy. Bro, I didn't know it was your birthday. Man, we've literally had like four birthdays this week. I already took him to the steakhouse. What was the longest I've held a trade in which I made profit? You know, like the day. I did a lot of intraday trading early on. So at that point, I would take trades, you know, 11 o'clock at night, hold them for the night. I'd basically dream about the trade the whole night. So I'm like, I gotta stop doing that. So then I would begin to get up like pre New York and look to execute trades then, right? And at that point, I would hold for like the remainder of the day and just get out when like a Fibonacci level was hit or something like that. Key zone. Good times. Good times. Remember that, Green? Good times. I didn't get much. Actually, I think I get more sleep now than I did back then. Intraday trading, swing trading, man, that's not for the weak. Not for the weak. Hey, energy! Watch out for energy now. She's watching. Gold's a bleeder? Yeah, we got a bleeder. Look at this thing. Let's take a look at S&P. How do we move here? Up and down too, just like gold. So we'll see where price wants to go here. Looks like I think numbers came out overall like red, right, for the most part. So yeah, we'll see. Red for the dollar. That may not be the best for gold's fake out here, but what did NAS do? Same thing. Yeah, everything pretty much did the same thing here. We'll see where we go. Liquidity's been grabbed, it looks like, on both sides. Green, how we feeling? How we feeling? What's the word for today? Wow, W, Andy. Let's go, brother. Proud of you, man. Seriously, big W. That says a lot right there. It says a lot about you, your character, your commitment. W, brother. Andy says everything's beginning to click for him. From the non-negotiables to the waking up early to looking for playbook setups only. He says his winning percentage is skyrocketed. Amazing, dude. Haven't taken a trade since Monday. W. Being patient, disciplined. Let's get it. Good work, bro. Good work, good work. Yeah. Take it. Yeah, you take swing trades, man. You'd be dreaming about them. I'd be rolling over in bed. For some reason, I just can't sleep tonight. I don't know what it is. Yeah, so I stopped really swing trading and doing all that stuff pretty early on. I pretty early on realized that wasn't my style. I didn't want to take money out the markets that way. So I only do futures. I do both. Futures, Forex. Are you Christian, Catholic? Well, it depends on your definition of what those terms mean to you. Those terms get thrown around pretty lightly, so I don't know what that means to you. The preaching helps me too. W. Time to mature. It's a Christian husband, father. Amazing. Let's get it. Let's get it. I can barely sleep too. Yeah, with open trades, yeah, I can't. I'm not that type. I'm not that guy. You know what I mean? Trust me, I'm not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
I know I'm not. So I am not the swing trader. I like to come in, work, and get a result, and then get going. I don't care if it's a winner. I don't care if it's a loser. I just want a result, and I want to be on with my day. Anybody here swing trade? He's not that guy, trust me. Hey, Andy, man, so proud of you, bro. Good work, man. Project Toro with the W. Yeah, so in the clubhouse, we're doing this, you know, this type of no excuse November, right? Non-negotiable November, right? And making sure we're getting our non-negotiables done and holding each other accountable and making sure that we all sharpen each other, right? How am I not going to do my gym sesh when I know Project Toro's going out and doing his, and vice versa, right? So it's all about having a community that's going to keep each other accountable, make each other sharper, and overall win, right? That's what we love to do, is we love to win. Tell him to give me my money. Oh, yeah, all good, Diogo. All good, bro. In 5 years, it won't matter. Yeah, I mean, you ever hear some of these guys' stories? And, you know, that's why it's very important to go out and listen to some podcasts, listen to other traders who are more experienced. They've gone through more. You're going to hear them talk about the journey, the times of failure, the times where they thought they had it and they ended up blowing an account and ended up losing all this money, and then they rebounded and then something else happened. Gang, there is no fairy dust that comes down upon you and makes you the golden boy or golden girl of trading where you never mess up again or never do this. I mean, it's just not real. It's just not real. Sorry to break it to you. Sorry to break it to you, but you got to know that, man. Otherwise, you compare yourself to these people or compare yourself to, you know, other things that are happening and think, well, you know, I must be stupid. You're not stupid. It's just part of the game. It's just like any other business. Yeah, all you can do is develop a plan and follow it. That's it. You're as good as your plan. You'll be as good as your plan. Zyper in the house. What's up, Zyper? Warlos in the building. What's goody? But, you know, slowly but surely, you'll start to feel the same way Andy's feeling, right? Like what he's saying, like, yo, it's beginning to click, man. Like, I'm starting to get excited about my non-negotiables, right? Because he's probably starting to see a little bit of better results, and, you know, he's excited about running the play and running the plan. And that's what we talk about all the time, you know, like when you run the play enough and really stay disciplined to it, you begin to get good results. Now, those are the results that you've been looking for. So it's very difficult to keep going back to your old ways when you've been consistent enough to where you're beginning to see, whoa, you know what, there's actually a method to this, right? And then, yeah, those results get addicting, and, you know, you don't really want to go back to the old ways anymore because those ways suck, you know what I mean? They hurt too much. So you realize that the fruit is good when you follow the plan. Yeah. Friendly reminder to give the stream a like. Give the stream a like here today. I don't even know why I want likes. What do likes do for my live stream? Anybody actually know? Why do I even ask for that? I just want to see if you guys will show love, because I be pulling up, showing love. hanging out. I just want to see if y'all will just kind of return it, you know? Yeah, it's good for the algo, right? Help a lonely trader out there. Just think about it. Right now, there's a lonely trader out there just searching YouTube in hopes to find someone that can help them. So your like can go towards a very lonely trader here today out in YouTube land. And I think that would be a great deed here for the day. WH. What are some advice you would give me? Consider the idea of giving your life to Christ and casting all your burdens and anxieties, fears, and all that stuff on the cross. Consider it. Think about it. What's up, Ariana? What's goody? What's goody? Lonely trader here. There he is. Lonely trader. Hey, whatever happened to the lonely trader? Remember him? I haven't seen the lonely trader in a bit. Yeah. Just picture our stream as like, it's like a, just imagine this beautiful, beautiful city up here on a hill, and the lights are shining and the people are partying and the excitement is there, and then you got this lonely trader just walking the road down here looking for some sort of help, and they're tired and they're weary, and all of a sudden they see, whoa, what's going on over there? And they come here and they get better, and they join our party, and they join our family, and they join our philosophy and our thought process, right? And ultimately the goal is to get them to where they want to be, right? The goal is that when you come here, you leave better, right? You could stay too. We love you to stay. But our goal is that when you come through here, you leave better than you came in. And if that's the deal, then that's the deal, right? That's cool with me. So my goal has always been just to leave people better off than I found them. And it seems to be working pretty good over here. Oh, Billy's lost. Whatever happened to Billy's lost? That's right. I thought he changed his name, right? To Billy Found. Billy's Found. How was that lonely trader? W. Let's go, Louis G. So yeah, we haven't really done much here. Just news came out. We wicked up pretty quick and then wicked down, and you know, you got these crazy looking candles here. So we haven't really picked a direction at all. So just chilling. You're welcome, Stevie Mac. Why don't I trade what? What's that? Synthetics? I trade gold. Gold, and I'm looking for a new pair. So my main pairs have been gold and pound yen. That's really what I built my career off of. I would say more so gold in the past 2 years. And really all gold this year, but you know, the past 2 years mainly been gold over pound yen. But I'm looking for something else. I'm looking for something else to run with here as we move into 2025. So I want to add something potentially to the watch list other than gold, just for the heck of it. Just because I've always been used to having 2 pairs, and it's always fun kind of looking at another pair here. So yeah, we'll see. So 30-minute, 1-hour closures are all coming up here in about 12 minutes. Probably just gonna wait on that now and see where we can go. Yes, S&P. I've been inspired. I've been inspired by some elite members to look into ES, and I've been doing it. Like, I've been looking at NAS too, but I don't know. I feel like I just like S&P. It's calling my name a little bit. But Goldie is the number one. Oh yes, let's shake hands. Next TT meetup. Where are we gonna do it? Where are we gonna do it? We're gonna see tomorrow. Where's the most common place that the TTE squad is at? Yeah, we did our first meetup. We're gonna drop a video today. It's like it's a little like day in the life, you know, like a little. It's like my first ever little day in the little mini vlog, you know, little mini weekend vlog. ES is gonna be the S&P 500. The middle of the US, everyone just meet straight in the middle. Yeah, ES and NAS look exactly the same. Like if you look at their price action, it just looks exactly the same. Except for sometimes, like big session opens. GJ good? Yeah, GJ was good. GJ was good to me. I've traded quite a few pairs. There was a time where I was just only a London session trader. So during that time, I would trade GJ, GA, and GU. So I was big into the pound pairs at one point in my career. And then I had started having kids and couldn't really do the London session as much anymore. So that's when I began to focus pretty heavily on gold and the New York session. Gold just kind of caught me. I just gravitated towards gold very early on. Even when I first kind of seen trading and got my first really like inside look with IML, there was just something about gold, right? Like they would have these live traders that would trade, and they would have all these different people there. And then there was this one guy that just traded gold. I forget what he had. I forget what the name of his little strategy was called, but it was good, man. It was basically, he looked for breakouts pretty much. And I just gravitated towards gold, and then all of a sudden I'm like, I don't want to be in this IML thing. I want to trade by myself, you know. So that's when I eventually saw a friend of mine put me on with Raja, and he was trading gold, and that just made sense to me, and yeah, worked out well. Some random field in Wyoming. Who knows what's gonna happen there? Holy, anything could happen at the TT meetup. You just never know. Most live streamers trade gold? Yeah, that's probably because they all like kind of fed off of Raja. Pretty much every live streamer kind of took things from Raja in a way. I think he was one of the first to really start doing it the way we do it now. Yeah, I learned a lot from Raja. I mean, as you can see here, I'm a market fluidity member and all that too. So I've learned a lot. I think he just takes on a little bit more risk than I would. I think I'm a little bit more conservative than him in my approach. I'm trying to tailor it to be a little safer, but I love the way he trades and the way he teaches, and he's phenomenal. Gold's wild, yep. Chala might be at the next meetup. You never know. He'll just pop up out of a random container in the middle of Wyoming. He's gonna get dropped down by a UFO. Green, Green, when are you coming back to Tampa, man? It's been too long now. Do I copy trade with multiple prop firms? I don't. I just trade. So I have a top one account, I have a top step account, and then I have my own live account, but I just trade them separately. Yo, what's up, Juan? What up, what up, what up? Do I have any other businesses? Yeah, I do. I have a couple e-commerce businesses. I have a pretty decent crypto thing going on. I also have some branding stuff that I help people with. So people have been coming to me to help them kind of build their online brand, and it's something I was doing without even really knowing I was doing it from like 2013. So I've been online for a while, taking advantage of social media, sharing my journey, sharing my thoughts with people, and that's ultimately helped me out in the long run. You know what I mean? So especially in a day like today where attention has become the new currency. Right? So no matter what you're doing, whether you're selling cars or whether you are personally training people in fitness, or you have a fitness program, or you have a real estate program, or you have whatever, I've recently taken on some clients with that and kind of just made up my own business out of it. So a couple people reached out to me, and that's how I really most of the time create business, is just when it's asked for over and over and over again, I begin to realize, okay, well, that could be a business idea. So yeah, I just took on a few clients with that, and that has nothing to do with trading. So other stuff, working with some fitness guys, some real estate guys. So that's pretty much that. Some network marketing guys. Yeah, I've been in e-commerce since 2012. So I was in e-commerce and building online businesses since 2012. So I've always understood the concept of buying online, and the way the world was heading. Back in 2013, people were laughing at me. Literally, they were laughing at me. They're like, "Why would I want to buy something online, dummy?" I'm like, "All right, man." No doubt, but successful people are very good at predicting future trends, right? So we very, very early on knew that this would be the way people would do business, was through online and e-commerce distribution. So we just jumped on the bandwagon early, and it paid. Oh yeah, it is gold. It is gold. It's just in the future. You're gonna see different prices over here, but other than that, this is the gold chart. Yeah, don't worry. If your price says something different, don't worry. You guys can still stick around and stay here and learn how to trade price action. Just use your price numbers, and I'll just use mine here. We are partnering as well with Wakanda Trading. Wakanda Trading. Wakanda Trading, you doing over there, Travis? Yo, actually that might be sick, Sebastian. Sebastian talking about having a boot camp, Airbnb, monk mode, trading every day together live. Would anyone be down in person? We'll link up. We'll get a big Airbnb, like a sick Airbnb, and just trade, teach and trade and teach. I'd be down. That actually sounds fun. Let me cook. TK, take a note down of that, man. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. That'd be like a meetup, only we'll stay at a big nice Airbnb, like a mansion, and have enough rooms for everyone and do some teaching and some live trading together. Yeah, that would actually be sick. I think Austin did something like that once. Oh, nice. Well, welcome back, my friend. What's up, Born to be Great? How are you? Let's see, who's in Zoom? Is Johnny Gems here yet? Johnny Gems. Yeah, that is an amazing idea. That'd be dope. We'd have to do it in Florida, you know what I mean? Get the pool and the barbecues out back and the good weather. All right, so we got a closure coming up here. So 1 hour candles are going to close. We are closing bearish here as well. 30-minute candle is looks like it's going to close below. Let's take a look at the 15 here. 15 as well. We got like 45 seconds on it. So we'll see what's going to happen. The 4 hours beginning to duck down bearish again too. I still have 1 hour left on this 4 hour candle, but yeah, we're looking like crazy. We wicked up, we wicked down. So we'll see kind of what direction we want to pick here. Oh, nice, dude. I look forward to seeing you in there, man. Born to be great. Let's go. A boat? Yeah, if we had a boat out back, that'd be pretty cool. Damn. See, my only concern here now is the choppiness on the 15, right? So you need some sort of like steep wick to move up here. So I don't know. Maybe I think I'm probably gonna sit tight and wait for a 30. Like another 15 closure here, especially this being the new 4 hour on Oanda. You're very choppy to the downside. I'm coming off of literally 3 losses, right? I actually bounced back and took a nice win there earlier, like on that celery play, wherever it was. But yeah, I'm coming off of like 3 L's. I'm not trying to force anything here last day of the week, so. Yes, sir. Yeah, a boat would be fire though. I agree. We get a little dock out back. Remember those remember the Google images we were looking at? See, Melly sent me a video yesterday. Man was had boots on the ground. He said, "Yo, remember that Google spot we checked out? Here it is." What's my plan for New Year's? Vacation stuff? I'm not sure. We want to pick a place to go. Maybe London, maybe Greece, maybe somewhere nice. Pants on the ground. Yeah, because this right here could be a fake out. Keep in mind, like, the idea here a little bit on the daily, right? We kind of came down early on in this daily candle, rejected there, and news came out, we pumped up, we rebroke the daily high again. So just keep that in mind here. The big rejection off of the support here. So yeah, that's a wick to fill, but just as much as that's a wick to fill, we also have the potential for price to actually fake out here on the daily, right, and give us some sort of a pullback. Where did my tools go here? Hey. Oh, there they are. Yeah, so keep in mind, like, this range up here could be something where we begin to maybe fake back out into, right, and close bullish today. But, you know, we still have a lot of time for that, so. Yeah, but this whole area right here is really bad. Really, really bad. If you guys are coming off a tough day or tough, you know, couple trades, do not take a sell here. Greece? Yeah, Greece looks lit. was a couple spots in Greece that we were looking at. Not too shabby. Nobody knows nothing. Johnny Gems is here. How you doing?
Yo, yo. How you doing?
What's the good
What's
word?
up, brother?
Johnny Gems.
The good word is I'm alive, bro.
I'm
happy to be alive.
I'm alive
and breathing.
and well. Buy
What's
or
up,
sell?
man?
I don't know. You tell me. You
What's
tell
the
me
good
and I'll do
word
it.
from you?
The good word is buy or sell.
Sell.
Buy. I say buy. John says sell. Tug of war.
Actually, sells haven't been working out too good for me. Let's buy.
You buy, I'll sell. Candle will close doji.
50-50?
How about I buy, you sell, and
sell.
then whoever wins, we split the money.
I'm down.
Let's
Sounds
just
like
do
a
like
plan, bro.
a 4R, and we'll be lit. Wow.
How about on every trade we take the exact opposite trade. So no matter what, we win.
Has anyone ever thought about having a partnership in trading, where you both take the same trade, one goes up, one goes down, both keep a 3R or 4R or develop a system like that? Yo.
We both go full margin.
No,
That's
like,
why the profits are big.
You go 3R, right? So no matter whoever loses is only gonna lose one.
Oh,
Holy, and they both
I'm
gain
down,
one.
bro.
Yo.
I think we got something cooking, bro.
TTE tag team. TTE tag team trading. Stop playing. Would you look at
Yo,
that?
chat.
You look at this.
Just look at it, man. That's how ideas come to life.
Yo, chat, pick a partner. You guys got like 1 minute and we're starting this up.
We'll host tryouts. You pick from the line.
Everyone in the class, pick a partner to work with. Yo, it's good, chat.
Yeah, both of us
I
get
get
stopped
down.
out.
That probably would happen also.
This is gonna be a great business model. All we do is lose.
Another day to be patient and disciplined to the system. Let's do it.
We get tapped in by 1 pip, tapped out by 1 pip. Nobody knows nothing.
We'll win eventually.
We'll take on investors. Well, you see, what had happened was, yeah, we tried this new strategy. It's called the TTE tag team. It didn't work.
Strategy out.
Yo, but we'll
On to the next
develop a new
strat.
one. In school?
Was
Oh,
good.
that's sad. Dudley Boys Trading?
Damn,
Step away
Caroline,
from
I'm
the
sorry to hear
video.
that. I would be your partner, Caroline. It's all good.
Just pick. You'd be the first pick.
We all know there's people who always the last pick.
Hey, they don't do that anymore in school, do they? Have you stand in line and then just make 2 captains and just make 2 people feel like crap at the end? I think we need more of that. I think we need more people feeling like crap. What do you guys think?
Yeah. Well, that's why the devil's working in the public school systems, bro. As long
You know
as
what happens?
As long as they can. Oh wait.
People feel like crap, but then you know what they do? They go on social media, they doom scroll, and then they just forget about it. But their life is still in shambles. So sometimes you gotta feel like crap and like really feel like crap and think about it, you know what I mean? And spend some time just feeling like crap, trying to figure it out. How do we stop feeling like crap? Right? I don't think
It's good to feel like crap.
I think everyone gets to the point where they feel like crap. It's just they get too distracted on how to figure out, well, you know, how do I fix it?
They become soft, bro.
Same thing with fat people. Man, remember that one saying? It was like, yo, it's not over till the fat lady sings. Now you're like, which one? Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
Now
But
it's
man,
over
you
in
know,
like a second.
unhealthy people are everywhere, right? On every single corner. It's pretty insane. You know, keep in mind the fat man used to be a character in the circus. Now you got him everywhere. Ah man, life is
Remember,
a circus. Let me stop. Let me stop.
the
What up,
devil's
Wags?
job is to get you to not think.
Johnny Gems,
As
take
long
over,
as you
bro.
don't think, he wins, bro.
Wags, how we feeling? Yeah, you remember the kid in middle school they all used to call fat? And then that dude became like the #1 bodybuilding dude in the whole entire state? Yeah. Yeah, sometimes you gotta face the truth.
The fat kid back then used to be like the strong kid.
Well, the fat kid also was like, you know what? Screw these guys. They're not gonna call me fat any longer. And
He would shove him.
he look his fat self in the mirror, start to visualize a in shape version of himself, and then he got busy. Now you get called
So
fat,
he
you go
started
cry and eat
thinking,
another
bro.
bag of Doritos. Now
He
you
started
think-
thinking and he started solving his own problems.
Imagine that. Imagine that.
It was good, Louis G. Thank you, my man. Appreciate that.
Bunch of characters. Yes, sir.
Hey, Coop, what's up, brother? Just a bunch of bots, bro.
We're all characters, but will we be the main character in our own movie?
Will we go off of our own system or the system that the game wants us to play? It's up to us. Let's get Eric.
Will everyone #1 person get on there? Every #1 from like what? Every competition in the past? Like all the winners from previous comps? Yeah, I think we're gonna get I think we're about to get a new update.
Well, it's looking chopped. It's making sense. 4 hours in a range
Yeah.
currently.
Oh yeah, we're gonna drop the video here today.
It's good, Jamil.
Yeah, so we'll have some giveaways today. We'll have some giveaways today, so that way you can kind of get something nice going into the weekend.
No black tea? Yeah, no black tea today, bro.
No black tea
Took a
for
couple
me either.
losses in a row, so I got kicked out
You
of
had
the
to
black
switch it
shirt
up.
club.
Get rid of the
I'm
black
not
tees,
on the
bro.
top step anymore.
Get rid of all the black. We burned all the black tees last night.
Yeah, I got kicked out. Now
#1's
I'm
up
the
40%. Wow. Yeah.
the gray tea.
Imagine being up 33% and not #1. That's. Keep pushing, brother. Keep doing it.
Good cookie. Yeah, I think so, bro. If you need capital, I think Top Step is great. Up, Zyper. Yeah, nah, seriously, bro. So I really like to detach myself from this this phone, you know? this
Yeah.
computer.
How many people
So-
wake up and just look at their phone right away, just right to it, right into someone else's world, instead of kind of cultivating their own world.
Right. So if I'm not trading or like trying to listen to an audio, then I'm definitely trying to get off this device. Definitely. As much as possible.
All right, so we had that big push down here, and now we're beginning to move ourselves back up on gold. So see why we didn't take that sell there? Very, very choppy down there. So we're beginning to move back up on gold, breaking the previous candle highs now. We'll see what the 1 hour's got in store. You've got super clean range, right? If this daily candle really wants to move up and close back above 85 there, that would be awesome. Yeah, that would be great.
Yo, Jay Coop, I love that, bro. Never look at my phone until I spend time in the Word. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, same for me, bro. I also don't want to look at my phone like immediately when I get up. I tested that out. That's
That's like
definitely
the
not
worst
for
thing
me.
you can do.
Yeah. Give myself like a breather before hopping on the tech. Yo, Eric W, bro. That's what you gotta do, right? You gotta replace bad habits with good habits. Good job, bro.
Yeah, that's it. That's the name of the game.
Replace bad thoughts with good thoughts, bad feelings with good feelings, bad habits with good habits, and then you'll replace your bad results into good results. They all just trigger each other, you know?
Yeet. Good work. Good work, Eric Pete. What happens if you have capital but bad at trading? What do you think?
You'll
Take a
lose it.
guess. What's my thoughts on supply and demand? I think it's good. A lot of traders base everything off of it. Like even us, like we
That's
look
why I
for
like that.
fades in those like areas too, you know. So I think everyone kind of views the market in a similar way. We just all kind of use different terms.
Yeah, that's why I like the idea of, you know, if you're a beginner trader, if you're not having the best results in trading, just trading, practicing on a simulator. That's what, you know, I watched the podcast with Top Step CEO yesterday, MP, and he talked about how, you know, the hedge fund or the company, the prop firm he was with, had him on a simulator, you know, before he started trading live capital, just so he can practice, get familiar with moves, right, and not lose a bunch of money. And people were loving it, right? People were loving it because of that reason, because it wasn't real money and they were able to actually learn, take trades, practice, fail, succeed, whatever it is, but they weren't losing money. And I think none of us put up money until we're ready to take those calculated risk in those investments. His or her own, right? Yo, Piplo, that's funny, bro. Yeah, I check my phone right when I wake up just to check my 50K account. Just to make sure I'm still up, you know, 3%. Make sure nothing sketchy happened overnight. Yo, it's good, Moses. Yeah, I love support and resistance, bro. You know, candlestick, price action, support, resistance, absolute game changer. Yo, Eric, that's a great question, bro. I think you should just be the example for you know, I'm sure there's a ton of advice for that, but I think be the example, you know? Be the example for her and pray about it. Yeah, because when you show her the cause and effect to what you're doing, right? It may make her inspired to do it as well. And try to ingrain, you know, some daily habits you guys can do together that will just better your relationship and also will increase the probabilities of her, you know, becoming that way. I don't know, Nick, you got some good advice for that?
Advice for what?
How can we help our significant other, you know, get rid of negative thoughts or positive thoughts?
Yeah,
Or
pray
just
for
tend
them,
to be,
love them, and
yeah.
lead them. That's it. That's all you can do. You can't make anyone do anything. That's the thing. You know, like you can speak to someone till you're blue in the face and they may never hear you. So the best way to do that is to pray, lead, and love. That's it. You lead, you love, and you pray.
I like that. Yeah, as the husband, bro, gotta lead. So I like that word, lead.
Good question though. Valid question.
Pray, lead, love. Yep. Great question.
And a lot of communication, you know, like sometimes we will leave our significant other out, right? So they don't understand why we're doing what we're doing. So if you can set goals together, if you can share your dreams together and ideas, now you guys are both you know the mission, right? So now there's purpose behind a lot of things, right? And that communication will begin to really make a difference, right? A lot of times our significant other just wants to be included.
That's facts, bro. That's a good point, Nick, because you know, my girl's doing her non-negotiables as well as myself, and we came to you know, communication and agreement of why we're doing this, right? And why it's gonna better our life and what the purpose of it's for. So that's a great point, bro. Understand why you're doing what you're doing. Because when she understood why, it was smart to develop and take action on these habits. She started to do it because she understood the importance of it. She understood why she should do it.
You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. We're no professional relationship advice givers by no means either, so. The groomsmith in the building. What's up, bro? How you doing? Keep on humping. Yeah, never stop humping. That's for sure. Never stop. Never stop. Doesn't matter if you're 99
Or 105.
or 105.
Do your thing.
You got to do your thing.
Right. Right, Daniel?
You got to do your thing. Tell him, Dan. Trade with Dan. Let him know, brother. Gotta exercise your right. Let's see here. I'm missing. Let me catch up in the clubhouse chat real quick. Never mind.
Yeah, sure.
We got a whole lot going on. A whole lot going on in the clubhouse.
Nah, Zyper, Travis, great talks, boys. Love it. Yeah, Jor, I think, you know, support and resistance is based off of the past price action that kind of like will reject, resist, support. You know, yeah, I think it's levels of like resistance and rejection and areas where we support the past price action. If that makes any sense.
Mm-hmm. All right, Goldie, we're gonna move up here, or what's the deal? So we've been stalling here, just not really doing too much.
Nice, Daniel. Yeah, I'm at 6,000 steps as well. Me and Nick got a nice walk in after London.
I had to hit the gym. You know, my boy was there again today. You know, the guy who gives a little bit too much information. Yeah, he hit me with a little too much information again here today. Just a little.
Should just keep walking while you're looking at him until he's like out of your sight. Yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah. Give him a thumbs up.
Just look right through him. Just stare at him as I walk by and just keep walking.
Have the
Going to pound me.
conversation
I'm
with
like,
him
don't
until
even
he's
put
out
up
of
the
your
pound.
sight.
Little too much. Little too much. Yeah, the dad man. Yeah, that's right. So we'll see what happens.
Cool,
So
Jorah.
basically, when we made this markup here, none of this had happened yet, right? So let's kind of draw a little bit. So none of this had happened, right? So we hadn't really had that big rejection. We were just kind of looking for buys above here. So I still like buys above this range, but we have rejected it once here. So we now have that wick in our way. So I think if this candle can kind of close and we can leave, like stay towards the bottom of the range, then the buys look pretty good to fill that wick and then, you know, potentially continue on running here. So we'll see if we get an opportunity to fill that wick in 5 minutes. We do have volume coming in, so yeah, I might be looking for buys if we close above here. The only issue becomes now if we close like right here. So let's say this candle now closes here. All right, that gets a little tough because now we already filled the wick and we may want to come down now, right, to create some sort of a support to move back up. So we'll see where we close. If we close towards the bottom of the range, that'll be a little bit better. All right, something like this, a little wick to fill. But we got 4 minutes. Let's take a look at S&P. Oh, nice. Driving down here. Yeah, we got to get into the habit of watching this other pair a little bit more. Because you had a really nice 1 hour / 30 closure there. Which people? I forgot we were talking about before.
Yes. Yes, a downtrend right now.
Yeah. 9:30 volume coming in. Will we take off? Will we take flight? What do you think, Green?
Favorite part of the day.
9:30?
Yep. Stephen B too, right? Yeah. What's up, Green?
Green. Green. All right, perfect. Dum, dum, dum. Take a look here. Goldie, let's go. Let's Time to rip. Can we get this daily fake out here? What? Be nice. The issue is though, we got all this now, so we really got to be able to push through there.
Hey, yo, what the hell? 2 Daniels? I'm tripping.
Damn, Daniel.
That's good, bro. I love that. Oh, you had a twin, dude. That motion.
All right, 1 minute. He's got double. W. Hey, W. There's W. That's true. That's true.
It's clone. It's clone, bro.
Yeah. So if we close above and leave a wick, going to have a buy stop here. Going to be forced to use current candle stops on this one, so probably going to keep the risk pretty low. But you know, if we do break highs, we should get moving. So we'll see what happens. 19 seconds. Will we close without a wick, or will we leave it? So this push could happen pretty quickly too here. So you might get like a smaller wick. I'd like to see something down, you know, somewhere down this white line here, right? And then wick back up and I'll have a buy stop there. Can we make that wick a little lower? A little lower, a little lower. Thank you very much. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna have a buy stop here, looking to target these highs, which are gonna be about 30 pips away. And then if we get a runner, you know, potentially moving on up here. Gonna be using current candle stops, keeping it super, super tight. I'm expecting a push right away. Oh, we got Dan too. We got Daniel and Dan. The boys. All right, we are in here. So I'm gonna close half my position at like that 30 pip mark over at this level of resistance, and then let the rest go. Gonna keep a pretty tight stop though, like we shouldn't break that low if we want to begin to push up. Let's see if is there any other, yeah, I'm gonna use the 15 low, previous 15 low. The OG Dan. True.
OG.
Do I care about the 15 resistance? Yeah, this one right there. Yeah, I'm expecting if we're breaking the high there to push through that, right, with volume coming in. So that's my idea here. I'm still holding that swing, by the way. So that's the wick I originally wanted, right back down into that line there. So we'll see now if we re-break the highs, this thing should rip.
Yeah. I held off on this. Looks good to go back up. Wow.
Um, 27 years I've been that guy. W. Who else's birthday is it, man? We've had like 4 birthdays this week in the chat.
27 years young, right?
W. Alright, so a re-break of this high should give us the push that we're looking for, but gotta kind of come up and push through there. I think we're gonna drop the YouTube video today. It's gonna be like I think it's like a 9-minute video that we're gonna drop today. So keep an eye out for that.
Man, I'm hyped for that, bro.
Bit up.
I know our boy Ricky chefed it up.
Ricky chefed. We'll see if he chefed.
Confident in that.
You know. Yeah, where's everyone stops? I'm gonna keep mine here below that 15-minute candle, just so it keeps us safe on the current candle. So we should respect the 15 low if we want to move up here. We're probably having a little bit of tough time at the resistance here, but if we can again break that high there, then we should see that move up.
Yeah, I like that you move it to the previous candle. Yeah. I wasn't feeling those current lows.
Yeah, that's pretty much the only stop we have. You know, the 30-minute candle's way down there. The 1-hour candle's obviously way down there. So the previous 15 is really all we got. Little 5-minute range going on. So yeah, we'll see if we survive. NAS dropping too. Let's take a look. NQ. Wow. So I'm guessing ES is continuing to move down here. Wow. Straight bleeder. Bleeder. Oh, I think I got stopped. Hold on. Oh, did we get hit? Yeah, I got hit. Yeah, I got hit here. So we'll see what happens on this candle. I might be willing to give this another chance a little bit later. But yeah, that one's done. 15-minute lows for about 42 pips. Little 2 lot on that one. Man, Goldie's been acting strange the last couple days of the week here. I'm having a tough time these last 2 days on gold.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Goldie.
Coming off a losing streak as well. That's why I'm like, I can't put my trust in those current stops, current candle lows.
Let's go to the 15, previous 15. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll see where gold wants to go now. Just a break of the highs and then a push down.
Martin conditions, man.
The idea behind this, so the idea here is that we had this big move down, right? This big fake out, closure above the range, right? And now you have volume coming in. We have some wicks to fill, right? So as you begin to make a lower wick, you break the high. you would expect to see a push up. Now this can still do that as long as we respect the lows here. So the most valid stops in this case will be those 1 hour lows, 30-minute lows, but those were just a little too steep for me to use, right? Because way down there. So we're forced to use that 15-minute. But as long as we respect the low here, we could just turn around at any point on the 30-minute and on the 1 hour, re-break the highs and continue going.
Nah, yeah, I really did like it on the 30-minute. 9:30 made a ton of sense.
Yeah, worth the shot. Yeah, 4 hour. Yeah, we're still bullish though, right? So we're still bullish, trying to move up here on the 4 hour, but we'll see. We'll see if we respect the 30 lows here.
Either way, you followed your plan, bro. You had to close your above.
Yeah, why won't this erase? See this? What's up with Zoom? Hold on, let me stop sharing my screen real quick.
Oh,
There he is. Alright, we back.
don't look at me.
Let's see. $3 profit. Oh, nice. Placing some buy stops soon. Nice. Yeah, I think we still look good to move up. Again, as long as we respect the lows here, and a closure back above the range would be obviously ideal. So we'll see. Gold's wildin'. It's wildin'. Goldie's everywhere, man. Sam the man. Yo, facts, Zyper. Oh, we got let's take a look here. We got an update on the competition. Competition updates. Competition updates in Discord. Let's take a look. Today's the last day, right? I think today's the last day.
Excuse me. Last day, damn. Some trades up.
Last day. Where is it? There we go.
Yeah, see Melly, what up, bro? I'm hyped. Hyped for the video.
All right, let's take a look. All right, here is our updated roster here for the comp. Whoa, TTE. Hold on. Wait, what's this? How's this all of us?
Because we're nice with it, bro.
Oh, that's all TTE or? Oh, okay, yeah, I see how you got it. So he filtered all TTE. All right, so we're holding the 5 and the 9. The 5 and the 9 in the top 10. So obviously top 1 had a ton of traders. Thousands, I'm sure. Oh, Kurt and Buzzblab holding down the top 10.
Beautiful.
Let's get it.
Nice job, boys. And Andy. I see Andy in there too.
Andy, yes, sir.
W. Good job,
All
boys.
Right. So we're coming back up. So we're logically respecting the lows there, right? So again, the 15-minute are weaker confirmations, but you know, we're forced to use that stop loss in this case, right? Unless you just go like really small in your size and you're down to have a 100 pip stop. But other than that, 38 pips was more than enough for me. And now if we can kind of close above and do all that, then I think we may have another opportunity. But I think the 1 hour closure is going to be important here.
We're coming on that last 15 of that 4 hour now.
Yeah, I'm not going to touch this till the 1 hour is done.
Yeah, 15's looking shocked.
Yeah, top one brought in the all-star team.
Nah, word, Kurt, Buzzblab, Andy, you guys are
BRB.
crushing it. Good work. Go, guys. Yeah, what's up, Mr. Hart? It's good, TK. What's up, Tamara? How have you guys been liking the comp? Those of you guys been in it? Nice. Yeah, I know Louis G. That 360 camera. Yeah, it's hyper for real, bro. Gold's making us apply an extreme level of patience and discipline, I guess, in this month. Last month was a pretty slow month for me. This month is type similar. That's awesome. That's cool, right? This is part of trading, is adapting to market conditions, right? Adapting to different quarters, right? The markets will, you know, change up their conditions at times, but it's just up to the traders to adapt. That's it. I think sometimes there's just more patience, more discipline. Sometimes there's more trades, less volume, more volume, right? That's what I'm kind of talking about in terms of adapting to. I think as we get more experience as traders, we'll be able to kind of have a way better understanding of adapting to market conditions. What's up, Mr. Hasty? How you doing? Yeah, Friday also here today. Happy Friday. We don't want to force anything. If the thing we want to do here today, as our job as traders, is just to follow our plan. Morning, Pablo. What's up, bro? What's good, Travis? No worries, Travis. No worries, bro. You know, we got the weekend coming up too, you know, so whatever you did this week, we're going to get that opportunity now to, you know, go over, look over, review our trades, see what we could have done better or not, you know. And if you are having problems, all I could say is that where there's problems, there's profits. So where there's problems, there's solutions. So if you are having problems currently in your life, it's actually a good thing, because within those problems are solutions. You just have to look for it. You have to find it. Seek and you'll find. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. You know, I took a couple losses this week. Gonna be reviewing them. I have an idea of what I could have done better. And that's it, right? Just always looking to grow and better myself. Listening to the data, listening to, you know, the trades that I've collected, and that's it. That's all we can do as traders. We gotta take the lessons, take the wins, take the losses, and just continue to move on. Yo, what up, Dominic? It's good, bro. You know what's the least I can deposit on a personal for trade over? I think it's like, I could be wrong. I think it's like 200. Yeah, chat, correct me if I'm wrong. I think the least amount you could put into Trade futures broker is $200. Actually, it may be 100. It's either 100 or 200. One of those. Yeah, but you don't need that much, you know? Tough loss, but I'm noticing that since I started upping my risk, I'm emotionally starting to get used to the bigger losses. W mentality. Yeah, W, bro. That's great. Yeah, right. We kind of, when we're up in our size, kind of have to practice that. You know, we have to practice, you know, being comfortable with putting that lot on, being comfortable with letting the trade fluctuate with that lot on, being comfortable with taking the loss with that lot or the win, right? But yeah, I think the best thing we could do as traders is practice. I think practice makes perfect, almost perfect. But I think practice helps out a lot. What are the signs that you're becoming a better trader? I think the habits. I think the habits you develop, once you start developing habits of a professional trader, and you see signs of improvements, you know, like progress, I think that's when, you know, those are your signs that you're becoming a better trader, right? When you start to act like the professional trader. It all goes back to habits, right? Because habits will trigger your results in life. So I think the better the habits, the better the results you get.
Looking Gucci, coming on up. Back up we go. Man, I'll tell you, I think the last like three or four trades, especially the losses, they were all money trades and they all came right back up. They all did some wild stuff, came right back to where we were and pretty much pushed up or pushed down, whatever we were looking for.
Seriously, dude.
We'll see if we keep moving. We might get a 1 hour celery, 30 minute celery, potentially. Nice 1 hour breakout. We'll see.
Might get a 4 hour breakout out of the range too.
Yeah. The high we need to break is that 4 hour high, man. This one.
All right. Yeah, no.
Awesome. Whoa. Yeah, that's good. Yep. You gotta reflect on it. You can't just take hits and then just not really think about it. It's not healthy. You don't learn anything like that. So if you can kind of examine what's been going right, what's been going wrong, that's gonna be a major help.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. That's why we should all take the time to review our trades this weekend or even just today. Gotta review the trades.
Yes, sir. KB. Yo, we got a banger playlist in the clubhouse. For real.
Yo, we do, bro. It's crazy. I was actually singing one of those songs in the shower, dude. Stuck in my head.
We got a bang. All right, we're pushing. So this is trading sometimes, right? You're just going to be, you could be right about the direction, just wrong about the timing and the entry. Everything is timing. We really got to break that 4-hour high though. That's the current 4-hour high here.
Well, all I know is keep trying, and dude, that's inspirational. Inspirational, bro.
We just need an explosion to push through. Not the greatest, yeah, it's really not. Not the greatest price action today, yesterday. It's been a little choppy towards the tail end of the week after CPI. But yeah, it would be cool to see how this 4-hour closes. If we can close above and remain above, I think the daily candle still has a good shot at, you know, what we're anticipating with that fake out taking place.
The 4-hour.
4-hour closure in 5. Guitar? I know, doesn't it? It hits every time.
Yeah, for real, Sebastian.
Who took the NAS sell? I did not. It looks like NAS and both NAS and ES sold off. I'm sure US30 as well. Yeah.
They're like the crew, you know.
Yeah, US30 as well. We'll see if gold wants to go in the opposite direction here. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful breakout. I wasn't paying attention at that breakout. Yeah, that was money. If you guys took that, I like that trade. Yeah, yeah. Anything
Yeah,
NAS,
sweet.
ES, or US30, any shorts are making money here today. Making money.
Yeah, this week we were also off Monday, the bank holiday,
That's
and
true.
then we had news literally stacked every day, almost.
Yeah. Holy, you're right. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Hold on, I gotta go back. Yeah, I'm still holding my my swing trade here though. So far, so good. We'll see if we continue pushing. We really want to see if we could break
Yo,
the
close
highs.
it.
This on my personal account from earlier this morning. So I want to see us break that high so we can move. This is potentially like a $6,000 move here. So I'm trying to see if we can hit this.
I like it, bro. I like it.
Yeah. Can we go over the previous trade? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Goldie. So, yeah. Excuse me. So, basically, last trade here, we had the 30-minute candle breakout, right? So we had the fake out occur down here. We had a beautiful 30-minute candle breakout. It still looks incredible, right? Now, the most valid trading idea would be this, right? Stops below the previous candle low, and then TP wherever it needed to be, right? But I didn't really feel like having 100 pip stops here. So what I did was I went down to the 15-minute, and I used this stop, which settled in for about 40 pips. Now again, that's going to be not the most valid stop, right? So that one can get hit, and we could still respect the 1 hour lows and the 30 lows, which are down here. So that seems to be what price is trying to do, is respect those lows currently, and move back up here on the 15. So I think the idea was valid if you had stops here, but because we used those current candle ones, that's why we got, you know, taken out there. But the idea is pretty much based off of the 30-minute moving up here after the closure, and also with the anticipation of this daily candle pulling back a little bit, right? And that's going to pull the weekly candle back as well. For where's my stuff at? There we go. So if we look here, right, we may anticipate the daily candle to close back above that range today, right? That's what that swing trade's all about, and everything is the potential for this daily candle to close back above, right? So that had a little bit to do with the bias here as well on that last trade. Was, you know, we kind of need some sort of a pullback on the daily. Will we get it though? It's a dangerous thing to do here. It's dangerous on Goldie. Dangerous.
Wire closed above, out of the range finally.
Nice. So 4 hour did close above.
Good.
1 hour closed above. 30-minute closed a little, not how I'd like it, but not too bad. We're starting to barcode a little bit on the 15 minutes. So yeah, you know, it's getting tough in these highs here. We already had a rejection off there. I do like the 4 hour closure here though. So we'll see what happens. If we can get some sort of a new support, I think it'll be much better.
Danger zone.
Danger. Yeah, I messed up the daily. I messed up the lifetime record. Hold on.
Yo, Wiz Balam. I would say you're in a probability environment, probability business. So continue to just execute that edge, bro. Right? You're down 2%, you're up 2%, whatever. The point and the job is to consistently execute on that edge, one good trade at a time.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, 3,200. Yeah, I like 15 closures, maybe 15 close above that resistance. Look how choppy this is, you know. Like let's do a fresh kind of perspective here, fresh analysis. So you guys already know my thoughts on the daily, right? We may come back above, so we've just absolutely melted here, right? And what we did was we closed below the range, but we closed below with no wick at the bottom. And then this candle here comes down and wicks right back into that major zone over here, right? This is a major zone on the daily that we had really, really bad price action in for a couple weeks back in September. You guys remember that? Where we were just chopping around in this range, right? So whatever, everything goes on. We go bullish, we go bearish, and now we finally drop back into the zone, right? But we reject the zone here. The next candle comes down, makes a low almost immediately, right? Comes back into the top of the zone here, rejects it. So will we continue breaking the daily high and the previous daily high and then potentially close above this range so that way this daily can pull back a little bit, right? That would make sense from a technical standpoint. If we get some sort of a, like, let's say a closure back above, right? Let's say something like this. This candle closes back above the range. And then we look left and we go, okay, well, maybe we can come up into this zone, right? Or even like this zone up here. And what would that look like? That would look like maybe Friday, today's candle closing like that. Monday's candle kind of making a little bit of a move up. And then probably a day or two of rejection, you know, rejecting this area here. And then maybe we'll see if we get that pullback and begin to continue driving. But that would make total sense for a downtrend, right? To get some sort of a pullback. And I think that pullback will first be guided by this candle closing back above this range, right? Especially after rejecting that zone there. So that's what I'm thinking here on the daily. So if we break the highs, we should continue moving. 4 hour looking really good now. So we were ranging for a bit, right? So we had this range here. We kind of did a fake out right here and moved back in the range. And now we've officially closed above. So the last two candles that tried to do this couldn't do it, right? Over here. Now this candle's officially closed above the range here. So I am pretty bullish now based off of the rest of the afternoon here. The issue now becomes the 1 hour, right? So we haven't been able to break this high. So I think if you get a 1 hour closure above this zone here, the buys are going to be much easier, right? Because we keep struggling right in this zone right now. So that's the issue going on. You have a 30-minute resistance as well. 15 is beginning to just chop around a bit. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't, you know, we have the wicks here, so it's tough to go ahead and, you know, be confident in those buys. And then you also close bullish, so it's, you know, it's not the best to take these sells here either, right? So we're in a tough spot. But all in all, this is the range we're in. Yeah, I think 1 hour closures, though, above the range are probably going to be best. Yeah. Unfortunately, you miss out on this area, right? But it is only 36 pips, so it's not that big of a deal. Or, you know what you could do? Shut your trading business down for the day. Shut it down.
I think that's what I should do.
Shut the whole company down. Call yourself and say, hey, we're shutting the business down. It's an early Friday. We're gonna call it a weekend.
Hey John, shut it down, bro. Shut it down. Trash.
Check in with your risk manager.
About to just power off my computer right now.
Lock yourself out. I'm holding this trade though on my other account, man. I'm trying to make like this trade will give me if I hold it full, almost 7,000, 6,800.
Hey, you can do a lot with that, bro.
So if we can break the highs, I can get more fired up here. But we got to break those highs. Right now, I'm not that fired up right now. You know what I mean? We keep rejecting those highs.
Really need a closure above, man. For real. It looks, if you're swinging it, I mean, it looks good from a 4 hour perspective.
Oh, there we go. The highs are breaking now. Now we need that closure.
You really need to close above that resistance.
Closure above, and we should be getting ready to move.
Personal account's the best, bro.
Personal account's cool because I held that whole joint throughout the news and this and that and these crazy wicks. Yes, good point, Z-Gamer. Don't let Pac-Man take it.
That's facts.
Is it a buy? I don't think there's any new opportunities to take buys. I've had that buy running for 3 hours. But there's no new opportunities here yet.
Yeah, energy. Honestly, if that's what you want to do, then you should do it. Right? You're your own boss in this game, in this business. So why not call it early for yourself, right? If that's what you want to do, it's all up to you though.
Take an early weekend, energy. Take an early weekend. You deserve it.
Early.
You got
Wrap
modded
it
this
up.
week, and you're having a big week.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my ideas now are basically closures above the range here. We need closures above.
Yeah, Conrad, that's great, bro. Having a no trade day here today. Great.
Oh, Mike Tyson or Jake Paul? Mike Tyson probably. I don't know. But if I have to bet, if I'm betting, it's probably fixed, right? So they would probably want to fix it for Paul, wouldn't they? He's the new guy, you know, he's the new face. He's the new way to generate the money. So I would assume they want to keep him on a roll.
Yeah.
Mike Tyson, I mean, he's just washed up. You know, they're just trying to bring some millies in. They were trying to stack some bags up. With his name is still valuable, but to have him win, you know, I mean, that wouldn't really set up the next Jake Paul fight the best.
Yeah. When is that fight? Today?
Tonight? Tomorrow, I think.
Yeah.
And Tyson be blowing through money, gang. So he might need a couple dollars, you know. So he'll do whatever. That brother be blowing through money.
Right? Why would he be fighting if he didn't need it?
He needs an extra 20 mil.
Oh, Travis, it's tonight. Got you.
Tonight? Tonight then, yeah, tonight. Tonight's the night. That brother stop. He's looking for some ear. What's he trying to eat tonight? What's on the menu, Mike? A little ear?
The Paul Bros.
That boy Paul got the ear all diamond up too. There's a fight script circulating. Everything's scripted. Everything. Hey, we got a pretty decent group here. Can anyone say they have a friend that they personally know that made it to high level athletics? I'm not talking about the minor leagues. I'm not talking about the farm team. I'm talking about the starting squad on a no D1 professional.
No, like the shortstop for the New York Yankees type thing.
Actually became a name. If you have, just say yeah and who it is. And no lying. The Lord's watching.
Yeah, no minor leagues.
Plays for the Broncos, but I mean, is he like a starter? Like, is he like involved? Or is he like, you know, like the third string linebacker? Nice.
A lot of football players. American football.
Oh, I'm watching both chats. I got them both. Yeah. So not many people, right? I think we had one person two people maybe who confidently said, hey, I know this person. You know why, right? Nobody makes it. Nobody. There's a there's a matrix within the sports entertainment business, and you're most likely not in it. Most of the people that play are developed. Now you can run with that word, but they're developed from kids. You can use your imagination on the word developed, but that's why none of us actually know a superstar. Oh, but he went to this high school. Yeah.
Yeah, they were developing.
There's Illuminatis and everything. It's crazy. So these guys actually get legit scripts. Dude,
Yeah,
one dude's like,
been
yeah, man,
players
on my
admitting.
script, I had to break my ankle the first year. That was tight. I know most of you guys like, nah, this guy's crazy. A little bit. My boy Maverick got a
Actually,
haircut.
genius.
Maverick.
Genius. Yo, let's see Maverick's haircut.
That boy flexing. He tried to open the door. He said, I heard him. He said, And walked away. I feel bad.
Nice, Mr.
Yeah,
Equity. Respect to yourself for calling it a day.
Yeah, not a bad idea. It's Friday, yeah. Yeah. We got some stuff that stays in the clubhouse over here. Clubhouse chat. It is entertainment, that's right. A little entertainment. Genius is sometimes oh. Yeah, you're right. Very true. Who do you guys got? Tyson or Paul? Tyson or Paul? What do you guys think?
Bro, it's crazy. I was just about to ask that. That's insane. I think Jake Paul is really hated on.
I actually watched a documentary on Paul. It's pretty good. Even he was probably developed.
Yeah. In that Disney laboratory.
Hey, chat. You guys don't think I'm crazy.
I mean, yeah.
Disney.
How old is Tyson now? Like
50 something. 57?
All right, he could still take Paul. Come on.
Yeah, 57. Paul's
keep it
like
real.
27.
He's just got way more experience, you know?
My man Paul messed up and stepped on homie's foot. And just got smacked. Imagine getting smacked by Mike Tyson. Tyson, you guys got Tyson? I didn't know that was today. I thought it was tomorrow.
You know, Joe's probably definitely gonna be watching it on Netflix. Yeah, it's on Netflix, right? No.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, 58 is not that old.
Yeah, Paul has pulled some genius stuff, like just marketing wise and branding wise has been really good. Options in the building. Yo, options, bro. You weren't the only one, dude. Like 2 days ago, the whole floodgate opened and like everyone returned. It was wild. Apparently everyone was here the whole time, but for some reason we could not see you guys on YouTube. It was so weird. But apparently a couple days ago, everyone's just back. Strange. Well, you know. Now I see them. So weird. I don't know what's up with YouTube, man.
You honestly got a better shot making money on that Paul Tyson fight than
Gold.
trading the markets.
Gold today.
Yeah, nah, I don't want to say that. It's not true.
Yeah, it might be true.
It's probably true. I just don't want to give any advice like that. Keep my mouth closed.
Options, how we feeling?
Yeah, right, Conrad?
Imagine Tyson just spazzes out and just goes like off script. Just like wrecks this dude.
Messes him up, yeah. He should do that.
Isn't there a picture of Mike Tyson and Jake Paul when Jake Paul was like 3 years old, right?
Really? Wow.
That's what I'm saying, man. He's... Dude came out the lab. I missed a sell on GY, bro. What's GY? I don't even trade that pair.
GY, what the hell?
Damn, that means I missed trades on every pair in the book. We all missed 1 million trades today. Okay. Yeah, that's true vibes. Yep, exactly. Exactly. The Disney Lab.
Yeah, I don't even want to know what's going on with Disney.
Nobody knows nothing. We don't want to get too crazy on here about Disney.
I'm actually going to Disney next month, and I'm like,
man. Oh, brother.
I'm debating if I actually want to go.
Oh, brother. Oh, brother.
It's only for like a day or two, but. Yo, I'm sorry. Sorry, Louis G. I think I gotta do a bit more research on it. Yeah, Universal. I wanted to do Universal, bro. Probably do Universal next time.
Universal. Hey, how
only,
are you?
It's like 30 minutes from me. Like an hour or so. I don't know, like between 30 minutes to an hour.
Universal.
Nah, B-Dub, I got a choice. I always got a choice. I lead the way, bro, you know?
Right. Universal's in California, right?
Nah, it's in Florida.
Oh.
I think there's one in California too.
Oh,
Yeah, there's one in Florida.
World is in California, right?
There's a Disney in Florida and California, and then as well as Universal.
Oh, okay.
Universal, yeah.
I didn't realize that.
It's in Orlando, yep. Universal. Disneyland's in California. Disney World, I believe, is in Florida. Yeah, chat's got me up.
They know. They know. Still early in the day here. Still pretty early in the day. On a Friday. Oh, you have one in Paris? Oh, wow. I've never been to Disney. Disney World, Disneyland.
Same.
Not a fan? Yeah. Let's see what they're doing over here on the 15-second chart. Oh, NAS Nosebleed.
Yeah, Chaz, that's what I'm thinking too, bro, you know? It's all fun and games so you get the message.
Yeah. All right, chat. What do you guys want to do? You guys want to call it a week? Call it a week here. I think we should call it a week. I think as responsible traders, we know when there's good price action and we know when there's not. And currently, this price action sucks. Let's just face it. 808. Yeah,
It
you
does.
see,
We'll face it.
we're talking the same language.
Let's just drop that video. Let's call it a day. Let's review our trades and let's look at the positives.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop the video. It's loading right now onto YouTube, so keep an eye out for it. If you guys do watch it, leave a comment on it. We're gonna pick like a bunch of winners out of that comment section for the new video on YouTube. So it'll come in. You'll see it'll say Tampa Meetup or something like that. I think we titled it. So keep an eye out for it. Maybe we'll premiere it in the clubhouse, and we'll watch it when it loads up in the clubhouse. I would have waited, but I think it's gonna take a little longer. Yeah, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Come back next week. Have some fun with us. We're going to be trading, all throughout next week as well, Monday through Friday. And we're going to be doing some giveaways, and we're probably going to give away close to like $1 million in challenges next week. For the culture. For the culture. All right. So y'all have a great weekend. Big blessings. If you guys, look, by the way, if you guys struggled here later, in the later part of the week, price action has really not been the greatest after CPI. Let all this cool down, calm down, and next week we go again. All right.
Sounds good.
Johnny Gems, appreciate you, big dog.
Thank
As
you, Nick.
Always, hope you
Mr. Top G.
enjoy the rest of the. Oh yeah, you're coming to the clubhouse.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, cool. All right, man.
bro.
See you in a few.
See you in a little bit. All right,
then.
chat. Have a good rest of your day. God bless. Enjoy the weekend. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Now
Later, dudes.
yeah,
Peace, peace,
it's
peace.
all God, this ain't no
Blessings, my friends.
yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud.
Later, later, later.
Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beast. I jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put 'em back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. It's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Yeah, danger, giants, battle is my story. But alone, I won't know that's my glory. Shadows, you cannot hide me. My king will fight. The God of angel armies is always by my side. Since death died, wanted by a landslide. Hallelujah to the flex, my that power made a point. Next slide, reppin' this side. Shoes ain't Gucci, I just keep my foot on reptiles. Yeah, coming from my neck now. When the game about to end, you expect fouls. Oh vanity, Satan try to cancel me. I don't feel your plan for me. I just made a canopy. When you come to handle me, there's another hand on me. Even when they all abandon me, I got the destiny, I see no enemy. Gotta, I gotta. Tell me who gon' come for me. Greater is the one who you can see. Bring the war, I gotta. Who run it? Almighty, who want it? Yeah. Still in the sun when it's all shake. Yeah, say who you want, boy, it's all gang. I pick the side like it's the entree. Ain't nobody like him, and I gotta like him. Every kind of rival got him by the bridle. Put it on the Bible, I'm an autopilot. Oh, God. Shadow of the Almighty, before me and behind me. Your war is for me forever. Hey, I know who goes for me. I know who stands for me. Almighty, in life, in death. Bring the war, I gotta. He is a friend of mine. No rival, no vice. My God is angel army. Tell me who gon' come for me. Army. Who run it? Almighty, who want it?
Not even gonna stress it. I'ma just let you know. It's them wintertime vibes, you know. Yeah. I study the Bible, so I know it well. Yeah, can't let nobody make my soul for sale. Can't even lie, yeah, I still struggle, but I know myself. I fear God, I told him I don't wanna go to hell. Pray for the sermon, I'll be asking what's the gift in me. Must be this music, cause the world think I'm so sick with it. I switch my style, some people love it, some trying to get with it. I think what matters most is I'm living out what's God written. I make mistakes, but I embrace them, I'm still human. I escape from that place that made me feel ruined. So every day I still chase what I think I'm losing. And pray to God in the end that I don't look stupid. Why do I feel I'm unable, double-minded, I'm unstable? Wanna put all me on the table so God can make me an angel. Was living life like Cain cause I was jealous of Abel. God told me look up, child, I just wanna save you. I need to hear your voice in life so I could get through this. For you I shoot for the stars every time and I don't miss. Every time I drop a hit, I still don't feel the bliss. And deep down I know it's only cause I'm still living in sin. You transform my pen, they laughed at me, now I'm laughing with them. Transform my gifts so now I can't even rap with them. I need to use my talents cause the devil be distracting them. I need to be a magnet to you so I don't go back with them. No bad symptoms, that rhythm that God gave me, I rap with him. When I do it, they submerge in my music like baptisms. I'm good at something that pushes people to have vision. They say I'm anointed, I studied how I could tap in it. Just wanna hear what his voice like. I wanna hear him tell me everything gon' be alright. I'd rather do this all day rather than all night. I don't wanna see no more darkness, I just want all light. How come my anxiety never leaves, it's reoccurring? How come when I read the word, I leave with reassurance? How come the world is lost so much, we hoping Jesus hurry? With you, I make every shot that I take like Stephen Curry. Never worry, cause you got me when I lift, I know you spot me. You never drop me, even when my faith is microscopic. It don't matter what's the problem, I know you the only option. Every time I wanna quit, something in me won't let me stop this. Something just really won't let me stop doing this. I'm fearless. I just need to hear your voice so I could be the light. Lord, I ask for your grace over my life as I repent of my sins. I'm asking you to place your anointing over these lyrics and not only fill me with your spirit, but with all the words to carry out this message. And more importantly, give me the energy. Amen. Blaze do my beats. Yeah. Look. He gave me the energy, cause the enemy had me so lazy. The moment that I hear the beat drop, it's like the Holy Spirit go crazy. Even through all of my lies, depression and anger, he still came through and he saved me. All he want me to do is just talk about it. Since I'm living, he already paid me crazy. I was too focused on what didn't matter, yet he was still with me the whole time. Untied, every soul tie when I repented, he made the soul rise. No more lies, ain't no more cries. Now that I'm alive, I know what's on the line. Used to hope to die because I know that I had made the same mistakes about 40 times. I'm forgiven, and it's written, yeah. So I don't even know what I'm worried about. The enemy try to discourage my mouth. The spirit within me keeps blurting it out, and I know that God gon' keep working it out. When I start overthinking, it furthers the doubt. It confuses me about what I'm learning about. It's lessons, gotta get through it to get to the blessings. I'm done with the guessing, delivered from stressing. Even obedient when I'm under pressure, it's getting too easy when I'm getting tested. The devil was using me, making a fool of me. God, you've been patient with me, you've been true to me. Need you to guide me, cause all this is new to me. Help me get over the person I used to be. And I finally listened, and the Lord is a witness. So let me get out of my feelings, cause now I'm forgiven. And he broke down all the layers. Now I'm elevating up the stairs. I know that he heard all my prayers, cause I am forgiven. I stopped following all of the trends. Then he started replacing my friends. Now I don't even remember my sins, cause I am forgiven. That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they notice that I am Every time I feel like I come up with a plan, the devil be plotting his motive too. Discussing with God on my weaknesses, but I just hate that the enemy know him too. I am not like all these other artists who be selling their music with no truth. Not just telling you about what I came from, but I be telling you about what I'm going through. I've been reading my Bible for clarity, I just been seeking some answers, I'm searching. Watching my parents divorce after 20 years, you can't tell me the devil not working, man, that really hurt me. I am affected by these generational curses. I guess that's a regular thing, but I'm not a regular person. No, I'm not perfect, but I'ma change the industry, I'm about to set it on fire. Sending me in like I'm Jeremiah. Sending me in, but I'm not the Messiah. Sending me in like I'm Moses. They tryna play with God like we don't know this. Isn't it obvious everyone knows it? But if they don't, then I'm here to expose it. All of these lyrics he put on my brain, glory to God, he been going insane. All of the snakes that be trying to remain just wanna distract me with money and fame. I used to get tempted, but now I refrain. I have now broken through all of the chains. Ain't no one else in my lane. I'ma have everyone saying the name, Jesus. And I finally listened, and the Lord is a witness. So let me get out of my feelings, cause now I'm forgiven. And he broke down all the layers. Now I'm elevating up the stairs. I know that he heard all my prayers, cause I am forgiven. I stopped following all of the trends. Then he started replacing my friends. Now I don't even remember my sins, cause I am forgiven. That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they notice that I am forgiven.
When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God song that I do not like. People always changing colors like a stoplight. I'ma call you lefty cause I know you not right. If you thought I was done, you should learn from Saint Nick and check twice. Ask me how I got here, I'll say God brought me. Ask me where this power from, it's God, not me. Every step I'm taking, I know God got me. I learn from the best, you can tell them God taught me. When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I'll say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. See me on the way when I walk like this, sauce like this. I'm a boss, I guess. God knows I'm blessed. Go to the bank and I cash that check. Guess what's next? I'll be the best. Don't get confused, I'm reliable. That's cause I always produce. God chose me, so I don't have to choose. I can live out my dream. Must be the shoes. You don't want to offend anybody, so you tiptoe. You so focused on your balance like you're a flamingo. Enjoy your day off. I don't get those. You thought you could slow me down. Well, I don't think so. Full speed, don't fly straight. If you don't watch your lyrics, you're a lightweight. The truth is out here, but it's hiding. So I make all of this music and they like it. All y'all blowing smoke like it was cannabis. Why are we ignoring what the problem is? This year let's come together, put a stop to this. Player number one.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth to me. It's now it occurred to me, hell gon' burn like third degree. If you know your history, Jesus paid that purse for me, and he took that curse from me. If you think that's perjury, boy, you better learn to read. Ayy, me and my baby girl in one accord, call that double dutch. I've been walking with the Lord, can't be doing such and such. Wait, I took a minute, but now I'm back in it. If God isn't with it, I don't wanna visit. I went independent and started repenting and cut out that fake. I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth, earth, 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 as in heaven on this.
Too many perks to being a child of God, I can't pop one. It's too many songs, not about the crown, I can't drop one. If God pull the trigger, something gon' happen, this ain't a pop gun. Gotta get the full picture when it come to life, I can't crop nothing. Okay, gotta pay my dues, I know he gon' reimburse me. I can't hide my love for God, Brody, you can search me. Horoscopes and dream catchers tell me, is it working? Some of y'all be too drunk off clout, don't be thirsty. Tryna break through like halfback. Don't need the lights, you can have that. I'ma run the other way, that's backtrack. As I get bigger, I minimize. Had to take me and break, it's too many lines. Now I'm back to it like a 9 or 5.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth, earth, 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 as in heaven on this.
Hey, check. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. If there's one thing I know, hey, yeah, God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time.
If he ain't, then you lie.